This has got to be one of the best views I have had while staying at Universal. Possibly Orlando, but I have stayed in some very fantastic rooms. But this is special. Good evening, late afternoon, I don't know what time it is. I have just arrived from the UK here in Orlando, and that's why I look like this. I look very tired, but I am pushing through because I am here. I am back in my favourite place, Orlando. So I've got so much coming this week. I am staying here back in Cabana Bay. This is like my third or fourth time staying at Cabana Bay. My first time ever with a volcano view of the volcano in Volcano Bay Water Park. It's a very special view, like you just seen, and I'm going to show you more of it, but I'm going to show you more of this room as well. Yeah, it's a lot to take in for me. It's something I've always wanted to do. Last year I ticked off a lot of boxes last year for me to do things like from Disney parks like Disney Paris and Disney cruises back at Walt Disney World last year, and this year I've got a few things that I want to tick off as well. So yeah, I'm just taking a moment to take it in because it's a lot goes on behind the scenes to try and make sure this happens, and it's awesome to be here and I want to share it with you guys. So if it's your first time watching me, my name's Ian, aka MacBlogs, and I do Disney parks, Universal, Disney cruises now, Disneyland Paris, and Disney parks, Walt Disney World, adventures, hotel rooms, that kind of thing, in the kind of travel genre with theme parks and other stuff. So yeah, whole mixture of stuff. So hit subscribe, join me for this journey. This week I'm here for 7 nights at Universal mainly. I might see how I feel going somewhere else, but mainly based here at Universal Orlando Resort to do a few things. But this is a room review, kind of, room tour. I'm not going to review it because the rooms are great. There you go, there's the review. Room tour, just to show you what is included in this room. So let's have a look, starting as I always do because I've done a lot of hotels. Starting at the front door, all your basic stuff. You've got even your switch here to turn all the power off and all the power on for the room. Just make sure you know where you are in case of an emergency. You've got a peephole or a viewfinder or whatever you want to call them. Safety stuff, privacy, sockets, big space. I've got my bag, I've just literally arrived about half an hour ago. This is the overview of the room, and there's that view. We will look at more of it in a moment, but let's get into some detail. So the decor, yeah, if it's your first time watching me, I have a lot of videos, you can see it's my channel with Cabana Bay staying here, and I've done room tours before but not for this type of room with that view. So all the stuff is pretty much the same from the internals from previous videos. The decor, I love the decor, the lamps, the paintings, the colour scheme, everything. Facility wise, there's no direct USB points from what I can remember. I'm looking around me just in case I'm wrong, because I am wrong. I knew I was wrong, I should have said that there. You got USB points over here, as well as lots of charging points, so direct plugs, US plugs and USB. So yes, I remember that being here. A lot of stuff's coming back to me, so sockets there, some sockets behind there as well, and a few here. I'm using my charger just now to charge my phone. Old school clock, love it. An old school phone, to be fair. You got a little keepsake, Cabana Bay pen and pad. Little storage here, the Bible there in the drawer. I like these lamps because you can do two options. You can do the top option, the bottom option, or both. Like that. Big windows, massive windows, separate seating area, so you can lie down of course and then sit down. You've got the ice bucket over there, there's a bin there, coffee there with condiments. Nice TV, to be honest, nice big TV there. And here's a fridge. Not a massive fridge, but a decent size. It's deep enough, and drawers as well, so it does the job. All these drawers, no surprises in there. I'll touch on it just now. I might as well touch on this. The pizza. If you do not know Cabana Bay, I'm hyping this up. I hope it's not changed. The pizza is amazing. That's all I'm saying. The pizza at Cabana Bay is amazing. I'm going to be getting one later on, so check out I'm in the middle of my travel day vlog just now, so you can check that out if you wish. I'm going to get a pizza. So yeah, that's really it. We'll go back to that view, don't worry. Oh, control the air conditioning and whatnot. Back to the hallway. In this cupboard we have ironing board, iron, safe, hangers, spare pillow, fold out thing to unbag your bag, and then in here you have a separate sink area and a separate toilet and bath and shower area. So you do have a bath here, a shower rather than just a shower, toilet there, hair dryer, more charging points, Zest soap, gotta love Zest soap, towels down there. I'm not seeing a lot of towels. Is there more towels elsewhere? We'll have a look at that in a moment. So towels, drawers here. Oh, mirror, my hand. There's towels there. Towels. And here's the shower. Yeah. Zest. And VO5 shampoo and body wash. I'm guessing that's body wash. Is it body wash? Creme rinse. I don't know. Could be air conditioner. This little thing here is the thingy. Is the I am tired. This is for hanging up the clothes. Oh, come on. Wait. That be a couple. Come on. There we go. So, yes, I'm going to follow this through and demonstrate. Now, I've seen quite a few folk wondering, like, it's loose there, but what they say is if you tighten it, there, if you tighten it, there, it does nothing. I thought that. A little bit. It's not loose as it was. Yeah, there you go. So, and that tightens it. See? Haha! Hacks. Hacks with Mac. That's a good idea. So let's be careful what I'm doing here. Oh, woo! It's content for you. Right. So yeah, that's really it for the room. You can get dining room as well, but I'm going straight back to the view because at night time, even night time, well just now, it's epic. See what I've done there? Epic universe coming next year. I'm going to be saying epic all this trip probably, but yeah, just that there, just that view, that view, this view. You can also see in the distance there, Icon Park. So there is the Orlando Eye, and you've got the Star Flyer thing right there, which you'll never ever see me on that Star Flyer. Not a chance. And then you've got that catapult thing. What'd you call that again? Is that a slingshot or something? And to put things in perspective, if you've stayed here before, this is where I am. Building 5/6. Yeah, I got confused again on my arrival there. All came back to me when I thought about it for the room numbers the way they are. So like you've got like 6-5 something, so 6541 whatever I say. That's not my room number. I don't know what my room number is. But the first number, the 4 digits, the first number is the building number, and then the second number is the floor. So if you wanted to go to, like, I'm in 6-5 now, so I had to go. Well, I never went. I went somewhere else first. But building 6, level 5. That takes me to this level. Yeah. So hopefully that makes sense. Could witness some Florida rain. Interesting. But yeah, that's it. That's the short and sweet Volcano Bay view, but Volcano view. So I've heard some folks saying they get a Volcano Bay as in the water park view, but don't actually get the volcano view. So make sure you're being specific on the volcano view of the water park or Volcano Bay. But yeah, I'm going to leave you with that view. I have a whole week of this, so if you like Universal, Orlando Resort or theme parks or that kind of stuff, hopefully check out my channel. Please do subscribe. It supports the channel, supports myself, keeps me motivated to keep bringing content, and I enjoy it. So thank you. Give this video a like, all that stuff. I will see you all on my social media probably, hopefully, and I'll put links down below in the description box of some of the stuff I've just said, and some links to the social media pages that I am on. Anyway, hope you're all well, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.